What I am saying, we have CDP protocol. CDP stands for Cisco Discovery Protocol. In our previous class, what we discussed, we told we have CDP protocols. CDP stands for Cisco Discovery Protocol. Why we need CDP? Generally, CDP. Anyhow, you can watch the previous video also. And now I am explaining. You see, this is the protocol. Yesterday in our previous class we discussed the CDP. So we need some theoretical knowledge. What is CDP? Why we are using CDP? After that we can say how we can use CDP. We are going to check. So we need to remember CDP full form is Cisco Discovery Protocol. Cisco Discovery Protocol. And what else we can say? We can say CDP is a layer 2 protocol. This is a Cisco proprietary. This protocol is going to work only in the Cisco device. CDP protocol is going to work only in Cisco device. Cisco device means Cisco router, Cisco switch, Cisco firewall. Not in the Juniper or Hawaii or Arista. It is going to work only in the Cisco. You need to remember this one. And why we need this protocol? This protocol, with the help of this protocol, we can get the neighbor information who is connected to us. Example, I am here. Okay, I am here. If I want to check who is connected to me, how I can check? I can go physically, I can check, remove this cable or check where it is connecting. Or we have the layout. In the company, you have the low level design, high level design. You will take that paper and you will check in that paper or PDF. But without paper, without PDF, without physically looking, if you want to get the information about your neighbor, how you are going to get the information about your neighbor? With the help of this protocol, Cisco Discovery Protocol, you will get the neighbor information who is directly connected to you. So what you will do first, imagine you are sitting here. You want to check this device is connected to whom. So you will do SSH or telnet this device. Okay, you will do SSH or telnet. So you will have the CLI of this device. Then after that you will type the command show CDP neighbor. Show CDP neighbor you will type here. With that one you will get the information who is connected to him directly. So in short, what you can say? You can say Cisco Discovery Protocol is a layer 2 protocol. It is Cisco proprietary. It is used to get the directly connected neighbor information. CDP message contain the information about the device ID, IP address, port ID, VLAN, hardware platform. This information we can get, and we can say by default in Cisco device this protocol is enabled. We can say by default this protocol is enabled in this one. Now let's go here and check that one. I will go to this switch. This is a CLI of the switch. Okay, imagine you do the SSH or telnet of this device and you reach to the CLI of this device. Okay, after that you will check who is connected to him. What I am saying, after that you will check who is connected to him. So what you will do, you will write enable, then you will run some commands. Show CDP neighbor. Okay, show CDP neighbor, this command you will put. So with this command you will get the information who connected to this device directly. Let me repeat again. See here what I am saying. CDP we have Cisco Discovery Protocol. We have two protocols, CDP, LLDP. In our previous class we discussed the CDP. Now we are revising that same topic. What we need to remember, CDP is a Cisco Discovery Protocol. It is a layer 2 discovery protocol. It doesn't mean that it will not work in layer 3. It will work in layer 3 also. It is a Cisco proprietary protocol. If you want to get the neighbor information who is directly connected to you, then you will use this protocol to get the neighbor information. Why you need neighbor information? For troubleshooting purpose, you will get the neighbor information. You will gather the neighbor information who is directly connected to you. And also we can say for what we can say, like if you want to update the network design, If you want to update your high level design, low level design of your company, you will use the help of CDP or LLDP to update the network layout. When you write, you have this command. When you write this command, show CDP neighbor, what you are getting here, this is the switch where you are present in the switch 1. You wrote here show CDP neighbor, and you get the information one device is connected to me. Who is saying? Switch 1 is saying to you. Switch 1 is saying one device is connected to me. His name is SW2. SW2 is connected to my local interface, that is F0 by 1. And he will say the device capability is switch. So switch is connected. His platform is 2960. So this device information, and this device, that is SW2, is connected to SW1 with which port? With F0 by 1 port. If you see with F0 by 1 port, it is connected to me. So you get the directly connected neighbor information. If you want to get more information, you can write other command also. Like you can write shows CDP entry star. Okay, and press enter. So when you write here show CDP entry star, you will get more information. What more information you are getting? Device name, and also you are getting here software version of the device. It is having the simplex or duplex. If we configure any IP address, you will get that IP also. Here currently we don't have any IP. If you have any IP address here inside this device, you will get that information also. Okay, and what else you can get? You can get the device name, you can get the model number, and it is switch or router you will get. Whoever is connected to you directly, that information you will get. So this is simple. What you need to remember, CDP protocol we are using to get the neighbor information who is directly connected to us. That's all. And here if I go to this switch and I want to check who is connected to this switch. Okay, so what I will do here, I will write here enable, then I will write show CDP neighbor and press enter. I am here in the switch 2. I wrote here show CDP neighbor. So switch 2 showing me that I have two neighbor. One is a switch 1, another one is a switch 3. So if you see here, this is a switch 1, this is a switch 3. So what we can say here, I am here in the switch 2. I am writing the command show CDP neighbor. So it is showing me I have one device here, one device here. These two devices are directly connected to me.